Ooh, ooh. No mai haere mai ki te Assembly at Point England School, Assembly at Bubble School, Assembly online. Yay, we're up and running. It's level 3. Here we are. It's Friday the 5th of March. Great to see you all. I'm about to hand over to Patrick for the karakia. Thank you, Patrick.
Kai nui tātou, e te kāinga o nā hau, o nā mai tāwhiti, e riri o nei ki te moana. Kawe nei o mātu whakaaro hei whiti marama, mō nā mai ki te whai mai ki kori tōku haere i te ao e amene.
Amira has our mihi for us today.
Tēnā koutou katoa. Mi ki te atoa, mi ki te mate, mi ki te ora. Tihe mauri ora. Ko mengare te ranga, ko tama ki te awa, ko ai tamatā te moana, ko roa pōtaka te marae, ko uku tue te papa, ko mea ahau. He mi whānui tēnei ki a tātou katoa. Ki a koe te rangatira e Patrick tēnā koe, mō ta mai whakamomati ki tō tātou matua i te rangi. He mi aroa tēnei ki a tātou ki a kaiko ki ruku te katoa. Ka huri o ki a toira ki ruku te katoa. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā ra koutou katoa.
E tū tātou.
E tū.
Kia ora. Toru whā. E hoa atua o ngā iwi mātaura. Mata whakarongona me aroha noa. Kia hua ko te pai, kia tautau mata. Mana a ki te amai, a o te aroa. God of nations at thy feet, the bonds of love we read. Hear our voices, we entreat. God, defend our free land. God, Pacific's triple star, from the shafts of strife and war. Make her praises heard afar. God, defend New Zealand. In the hall. Kia ora. Thank you all so much. Isn't it great to be able to have assembly? We've really been enjoying ourselves at Bubble School. And I've got a couple of teachers who are going to come up and do the Duffy Awards in a while, and you'll be able to see them. But we've had a great time here. Boy, are we looking forward to you all coming back for level 2. So we'll have more to tell you about that over the weekend, I'm sure. We've had a really interesting week, haven't we? Well, it's time for the kōrero reminders. And so I'm handing over to Emmeline for that. Thank you, Emmeline.
You all know, don't you? Sanitize, keep your distance, cough into your elbow. Keep safe, Point England.
Superb, Emmeline. We can all remember that, can't we? Well, we're going right on to the kōrero for today and for this week. And Emmeline is introducing that as well. Kia ora, Emmeline.
The kōrero today, Point England, is good manners for Google Meets.
Come into your meeting with your mic muted. Leave it off when you're not talking. Turn it on when it's your turn to talk.
Make sure your online behavior is what your granny would like to see. Make sure your offline behavior doesn't give your mom a headache. If you use chat, it has to be about your work and it needs to be polite.
Be on time. It's really boring for everyone else if they have to wait for you. And also you come into the meeting not knowing what's going on.
Be visible. If you're in a meet, you should have your camera turned on. This is just good manners.
So your kōrero for this week is GM for GM, good manners for Google Meets. Can you all say that, pointing Glenn?
Good manners for Google Meets. Kia ora. What a great thing to remember this week. And many thanks to the prefects and rangatahi from 2020 who first introduced us to those ideas. Now, I'm going to call upon two teachers who've been at Bubble School, Miss Tumahai and Miss West, and they're going to read out the Duffy Awards for this week. Now, if you get a Duffy Award, you're going to be going, huh? How do I get my certificate? Huh? Where do I pick up my book? Don't worry, we've got your names. We've got your numbers. Now, when you come back to school in level 2, we will get you to come to the library, and Miss TA, who's here as well, she will be, and she's nodding. I can see her nodding. She will be in charge of making sure you get your certificate and your book. Kia ora, I'm going to hand over to Miss West.
All right, so the Duffy Awards for this week. The first Duffy Award goes to Julia from Room 1, and she gets her award for awesome online learning. Keep up the amazing work, Julia. The second award goes to Sivina from Room 2 for great participation in our Google Meets. The third award from me goes to Adriana from Room 3, and that goes for being respectful in class and demonstrating her work ethic in maths.
The fourth certificate goes to Simon Pickle for being an active blogger during the lockdown. And the fifth certificate is Miriko Masters for being a tidy Point England student when the Prime Minister came to our school.
The next Duffy certificate goes to Sienna from Room 6 for joining every Google Meet and blogging multiple times a day. Keep it up, Sienna. The next award goes to Jin from Room 7 for an amazing effort with his online learning.
All right, Jadicus from Room 8 gets his certificate for putting in massive effort with his online learning. Talanoa gets from Room 9 for attending our class Google Hangouts with GM for GM attitude. Keep it up. Well done, Talanoa.
The next award goes to Odin from Room 10, and that is for actively participating in our Google Meets and demonstrating GM for GM. Awesome work, Odin. The next one goes to Jackson from Room 13, and that is for being a great at-home learner.
Charles from Room 17 for turning up to our Google Meets with a smile. And Michael from Room 18 attending Team 1 Google Meets each day.
The next award goes to Fabulous from Room 19 for outstanding online learning and showing that he cherishes his treasures. The next one goes to Jackson Fafita from Room 20 for working hard to finish his learning tasks.
This certificate goes to Torrin in Room 21 for putting forth exceptional effort to access his learning from home. Madison from Room 22 sharing awesome stories on her blog during lockdown. Well done.
The next award goes to Adnan from Room 24 for joining in Team 2 Google Meets and online learning at home. And the next award goes to Timothy from Room 25 for excellent participation with his online learning and working on his tasks.
Poliasi from Room 26 for a great effort in your reading and extra maths. And Musan from Room 27, awesome effort at his home learning, particularly his story writing. Keep it up.
And finally, we have 2 awards from Bubble School. So the first goes to Joelle for sharing her learning on her blog. And the second goes to Eve for being a confident learner and blogger using her Chromebook, which she's only had for about 2 weeks.
All right, shall we give those people a big hand, a big clap, and a round of applause? In a moment, Ms. Va'afuswanga is going to come up and give us some sports news. But let's just give those people 3 cheers, shall we, for winning their Duffy certificates, even though school wasn't normal. Shall we go 3 cheers for the Duffy winners? 3 cheers for the Duffy winners. Hip, hip. Hooray. Hip, hip. Hooray. Hip, hip. Hooray. Right, now let's give Miss Va'afuswanga a big paki as she comes to talk to you about what's up.
Good morning, Point Englanders. Good morning, Bubble School. Oh, lovely to see you all, and I hope everyone at home is healthy and safe, and I hope that you're keeping active too. So on those fine spells during the day, you can still go for a walk around the block in your area. It'll be really good for you, for your mind, your body, and your soul. All right, I only have Play of the Day certificates or announcements of people who did really well at the softball tournament last week. So listen to your name. Here are the players of the day for your teams. From the year 5, the best batter was Samuel Timoteo. Best fielder, Willie Fisilau. Most improved, Mary Jane Leuila. The year 6's, Mr. Hughes team, best batter, Vaha Faleta. Best fielder, Lynette Offa. Most improved, Jada Motoliki. From Miss Timmy's team, the best batter was Jimmy Douglas. The best fielder, Rex Salima. The most improved player, Kalia Javier. From Mr. Moran's team, the best batter was Central Salt. The best fielder, Jane Manasseh. Most improved, Mausalone Cecil. And from Mr. Wright and Tyson softball team, the best batter was Caleb Tiao. Best fielder, Matalita Tuifoa. And our most improved player, Kiara Solo. So let's give them a round of applause because I know they're watching it at home. All right.
Thank you so much, Miss Va'afuswanga. Isn't she wonderful to have had all of that organised even this week? Right, we're going to catch up with some event news. And for that, I'm handing over to Eve. Eve, I nearly forgot who I was handing over to. I'm handing over to Eve.
Didn't we have a great day last Friday? Thanks everyone for coming along and helping us all to have such a great time. Special thanks to all the whānau who came along and helped us. You guys rock.
Thank you, Eve. Amira's going to get us up to date some more.
We're so sorry we had to change Meet the Teacher yet again. We're now hoping to hold this event 17th March. Please keep the state free if you can.
Cool. Now, we had a very special week last week, and I'm just going to hand right back to Amira to introduce something awesome.
Last Thursday, we were so lucky to have the Prime Minister come for lunch at Point England. Here's a short clip of the amazing speech she gave us.
Kia ora.
I came here because not very long ago, I saw an email from you and I watched your video about how much you were enjoying the school lunches program. And I wrote a little note back on the email that you'd written, and I said to my team, I would really like to go and visit these tamariki. And one of the reasons why I read all of the letters that I get from tamariki and rangatahi is because I want you to know that they make a difference. Wow. It really makes a difference when you write to me or when you tell me that you think something needs to change. I want you to know that you don't have to be an adult or someone who can vote for us to care about what you think. What you think makes a difference. Don't think you need to be old for people to care about what you think. We care about what you think. So I want you to always remember that. Who thinks that I grew up thinking I was going to be Prime Minister one day? No way. When I was your age, if you had asked me what I was going to be, do you know what I would have said?
Yes.
No, well, I would have thought that I was going to be a policewoman. Because that's what my dad did. My dad was a policeman. For 40 years, he was a policeman. So that's what I thought I was going to do. So when someone first asked me if I would like to try and become a member of parliament, what do you think I said? I said no. Why do you think I said no? Responsibility. Responsibility, yep. Yep, big job. Lots of responsibility. Pretty scary.
Too much work?
Too much work. That's definitely a good reason to say no. I don't mind doing a lot of work though. I said no because I didn't think I could do it. Who's ever said no to something because they didn't think they could do it? everybody, eh? And it's happened to me lots of times. Lots of times I thought, I can't do that. But I was wrong. And the reason I wanted to share that with you is because if you ever get asked to do something that feels a bit scary, you think you might not be good enough at, I want you to remember me. Because I thought that all of the time, until one day I decided that even though I was afraid, I needed to try anyway. That's how I ended up doing this job.
So if you're really smart, those of you who are watching at home and those of you who are here, you will have realized that I haven't changed my clothes for one whole week. Do you think I washed them, dried them, hung them up, ironed them and all of that? Or do you think I've just been wearing them the whole time? Do you think maybe I wore these clothes to bed as well? Because that was last Thursday and it's Thursday again. Oh my. It's my Thursday shirt, right? Wow. Well, the Bubblers decided that we needed to sing a waiata about just chilling out a bit, eh? So we're all going to sing now. Have I got some helpers who are going to stand up not too close together? Oh, thank you, Eve. Yay, good. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Say, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message for you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. So if you're at home right now, waiting to come back to school and you don't know how and you're not sure when to come to school, the Prime Minister will tell you and then we'll all come back to school for level 2. Hey, so don't worry about a thing. Don't worry, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. So let's wait for that announcement that the Prime Minister's going to make, and we're not going to worry, and we're not going to go, oh, school's going to be weird, because school's going to be cool, and we're all going to come back and have heaps of fun, and you're going to join all of these bubblers that you can see here for level 2, because everybody's supposed to come to school for level 2. So don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Thank you. Kia ora. That was the waiata. That was lovely. Thank you, singers. Well, that's it for Assembly today. We hope that you have an awesome weekend. We're all expecting to hear from our Prime Minister, Jacinda Ardern, who has been here for lunch now, that there's really good news for next week. That's what we're expecting. So stay happy, stay well, stay sanitized over the weekend, and we're all hoping that next week you'll all be able to come back to school. Ka kite Point England. Can you all turn around and wave at the camera if you're in the room? Can you all turn around and wave to all the people out there? Kia ora. Have a great weekend, Point England.